can you kind of explain your overall process here?
Yeah, so this facility, we sit on 18 acres of an old landfill, which an old landfill couldn't have had anything else done with it, so it's a perfect home for us.
So we're standing on a landfill.
We're standing on an old
right now?
landfill,
Wow.
right? Basically what we do here is we separate woody debris from compostable debris, so what I call the fiber from the compostable material. It goes into two different piles and two different streams. The material you see behind us here is going to end up being a mulch. So we'll take this, we'll grind it up through a big, huge grinder, put it through a screener, then a colorer, and basically have colored mulch in the end.
Trucks have been pouring in and out since we got here. Are you guys servicing the entire Kansas City area?
Yeah, I mean, we don't discriminate against anybody. If they've got some kind of a debris, it comes in here. So, and this is only one of 5 locations that we operate.
So how much mulch are you guys producing here?
We literally do hundreds and hundreds of truckloads a year. I mean, it's a lot. We do a lot of material. This debris you see behind us, I mean, this is a 20-foot tall pile, and this is just the corner of it. So you look at this pile here and the size of this material behind us, and it's a huge scale. There's a lot of debris, and really what it amounts to is that every large metro area has this debris. And if there's not a company like us doing it, which there are a lot of companies like us doing this throughout the country, the stuff typically ends up in the landfill.